Welcome back. It is almost 2 hours since I started. It is a Tuesday evening. Tuesday. Can't help myself. Yeah, I've got to say Tuesday. Sorry. It's a Tuesday evening. I've been online, like I said, for a couple of hours now. Just over 2. I'd say it's fairly busy today. Orders are paying pretty well. It's been sort of on and off raining, which has sort of helped, I guess, you know. Right. So. Let's have a look. What are we on? Yeah, I think it was like £25, which is pretty crap, to be honest, for 2 hours worth of work. Honestly, I think you've really got to be able to use time efficiently in this job, man, and try and maximize that efficiency, you know. That brings me, or it should bring me, to 34. So we'd only be £15 away from the £50 target. Please, God, let me get an add-on somewhere. Another £5 maybe. What the hell's going on there? Look at this. Always a bunch of bikes here. Right. Go and get it. It's all Greek to me. Let's go and deliver this. It's fine. Where does it want me to go? Where is it? Upper Richmond? I think we can go this way. Oh, there, got it. As I've just dropped a delivery, which is probably my last of the day, I think. I'm gonna call it a day there. I've officially been online for, what is that, just over 3 hours? Yeah, just over 3 hours, which isn't too bad. £48.32. Target's always 50. So, you know, nearabouts, there or thereabouts, sorry, is good enough. It's good enough. You never know, you might end up, I probably shouldn't say it, but yeah, you might end up getting £1 or £2 tip. Happened to me yesterday, to be honest. Took me to that £50 mark. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go offline. Let's see what the stats are for today. Like I said, I don't think I've actually rejected, I've rejected 2. Well, I can't remember rejecting 2 deliveries. I know I just rejected 1 a short while ago. What was the one I rejected before that? Interesting. But yeah, there we are, folks. £48.32 for 14 trips completed. I don't think I got any tips today, which, you know, I don't really care, if I'm being honest. I get paid for the trips, so who cares about the tips? Anyways, folks, thanks for tagging along. Let me know if you guys have got any questions or anything down below about anything related to Uber or scooters or gear or anything like that. And I'll try and help out. Otherwise, I hope you folks enjoy the rest of your day, wherever you're watching this from, at whatever time. Take it easy. Peace out.